have a question, just a little more kind of practical in regards to some kind of bad habit that I have. I have this bad habit of kind of ripping off my dry skin from my fingers sometimes, and I know this is very problematic, especially for Shabbos and Yom Tov.
Yes.
To an extent that I had to promise Hashem that I was not going to do it again, but sometimes I found myself doing it unconsciously. So I was wondering, what would be like a good way to put like a fence over this? Should I have to start like wearing gloves or something like that?
So I would say to try to cut all of the loose skin before Shabbos starts. So there is nothing there to pull, and it's actually a problem. I had a student, and not only one, like a few of them, who had a problem with biting their nails. Like when they're nervous, I said, but on Shabbos, where you been upset? But it started with being nervous and then continue, even as a habit. So of course we have to stop that. It's not allowed. So if needed to wear gloves, yeah, wear gloves. And as we said before, Rambam teaches us. So our actions are going to affect our character traits. So after like a few weeks, so and of course start on not on Shabbos, start on the weekdays. You understand? So and it's and you'll see that you're going to start doing less and less, and until you're going to lose completely interest to that. And try it like every morning. Let's say cut this loose skin with the scissors, cuticles.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So it's like on a case by case basis. You have to don't rely that on Shabbos you're going to put gloves and it's going to work. No, you have to prepare like on Sunday. Try to start training yourself on Sunday. But it's a habit that as any other habit that a person can get rid of.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.